Hi, this is Rod Evans, and today in our mini lecture we're going to be talking about the types of analogies you encounter, and this is part one. The following is a list of most of the analogy types you'll encounter. Number one, purpose relationship. Knife is to cut as vice is to A. Capture, B. Hold, C. Chop, D. Scoop. The answer is B. Hold. A knife is used to cut. A vice is used to hold. Second, cause and effect relationship. Exercise is to fitness as practice is to A. Proficiency, B. Boredom, C. Anger, D. Carelessness. The answer is A. Proficiency. Exercise makes one fit. Practice makes one proficient. 3. Part is to whole. Wheel is to bike as key is to A. Cello, B. Lock, C. Typewriter, D. Chair. The answer is C. Typewriter. Just as a wheel is an essential part of a bike, so a key is an essential part of a typewriter. Note that a lock may have a key, but the key isn't a part of the lock. Further, there are locks, such as combination locks, that don't even have keys. 4. Part is to part relationship. Nose is to mouth as A. Cornea, B. Enamel, C. Root, D. Crown is to retina. The answer is A. Cornea. A nose and mouth are part of a face, just as a cornea and a retina are parts of eyes. 5. Action to object relationship. Top is to spin as kite is to A. Ski, B. Swim, C. Fly, D. Run. The answer is C. Fly. One spins a top and flies a kite. 6. Action is to situation relationship. Sing is to musical as act is to A. Song, B. School, C. Play, D. Museum. The answer is C. Play. One sings in a musical and acts in a play. 7. Synonym relationship. Sagacious is to wise as gaunt is to A. Corpulent, B. Muscular, C. Scary, D. Haggard. The answer is D. Haggard. Sagacious is a synonym for wise, just as gaunt, which means very thin, especially because one is sick, tired, or worried, is a synonym for haggard. 8. Suffix relationship. Ology is to study of as opia is to A. Examination, B. Surgery, C. Eye defect, D. Process. The suffix ology means study of, just as the suffix opia means an eye defect, as in myopia or presbyopia. 9. Rhyming relationship. A. Horse, B. Course, C. Hearse, D. Furs is to curse as worse is to verse. The answer is C. Hearse. Hearse, curse, worse, and verse all rhyme. When you're ready. 10. Antonym relationship. Impecunious is to wealthy as enslave is to A. Entrap, B. Captivate, C. Manumit, or D. Deracinate. By the way, deracinate means to uproot. The answer is C. Manumit. Impecunious, which means poor, is the opposite of wealthy, just as enslave is the opposite of manumit, which means to set free. 11. Place relationship. Yellowstone Lake is to Wyoming as Lake Okeechobee is to A. Georgia, B. Virginia, C. Florida, D. Louisiana. The answer is C. Florida. Just as Yellowstone Lake is in Wyoming, so Lake Okeechobee, the Big O, is in Florida. 12. Geography relationship. A. Newfoundland, B. Everglades, C. Hook, D. Hatteras is to May, as Horn is to Good Hope? The answer is D, Hatteras. All the words refer to capes. Cape May, by the way, is in New Jersey. Cape Horn is in South America. And the Cape of Good Hope is in Africa, more specifically South Africa. 13. Place is to person relationship. A, Crete. B, Egypt. C, Rome. D, Stonehenge is to Persia, as Caligula is to Xerxes. The answer is C, Rome. Caligula was an emperor of Rome, and Xerxes was a king of Persia. 14. Degree relationship. Clean is to immaculate, as large is to A, big. B, sizable. C, colossal. D, tall. The answer is C, colossal. Immaculate is spotlessly clean, and colossal means extremely large. This is a common analogy on the MAT. 15. Characteristic relationship. Sage is to wise, as Olympian is to A, intelligent. B, huge. C, athletic. D, learned. The answer is C, athletic. Just as a sage is characteristically wise, an Olympian, that is, an Olympic athlete, is characteristically athletic. 16. Sequence relationship. Aries is to Taurus, as alpha is to A, beta. B, gamma. C, delta. D, epsilon. The answer is B, beta. Just as Taurus immediately follows Aries in the zodiac, so the Greek letter beta immediately follows the letter alpha. 17. Numerical relationship. 12 is to 144, as 9 is to A, 71, B, 81, C, 91, D, 101. The answer is B, 81, just as 144 is 12 squared, so 81 is 9 squared. 18. Measurement relationship. Inches to A, pint. B, meter. C, pound. D, gallon, as quart is to liter. The answer is B, meter. Just as quarts and liters measure volume, so inches and meters measure length. 19. Grammatical relationship. Infractuous is to A, surfeit. B, upon. C, justice. D, dasyproctic, as vitreous is to facial. Note that the words appear so random that the analogy is probably not based on meaning. The answer is D, dasyproctic, which, like the other words, infractuous, full of twists and turns, vitreous, relating to or resembling glass, and facial, are adjectives. By the way, dasyproctic means having a hairy butt. 20. Letter arrangement relationship. Stop is to A, sin. B, den. C, sign. D, snide, as pot is to Dennis. The answer is A, sin. The word pot can be formed by reversing the last 3 letters of stop, just as the word sin can be formed by reversing the last 3 letters of Dennis.